Hello everyone, welcome back to Fun Mathology. Today's topic is how to find out HCF by prime factorization method, right? So in earlier videos, we have seen two methods. This is the third method to find out highest common factor. So this is prime factorization method. So what is the step one? So let's see what is the step one. So we need to find out the prime factors of the given numbers. So you might be given 2 numbers, 3 numbers or 4 numbers. So whatever they are, we need to find the prime factors of each and every numbers. Then we need to multiply the common factors. So how to do that? So we'll take an example and then we'll apply this example and the steps in a given question. Got it? So let's see, the first example is, so we have 3 numbers. So we need to find the HCF of 24, 32 and 40 by prime factorization method. So what is the first step? So go ahead and find out the prime factors of the respective numbers. So let's do it one by one. So 24, so it's divisible by 2, so 12, again by 2, 6 is the quotient, again 2, it's 3, so 3 ones are 3. Next is 32, it's divisible by 2, so it's 16, again by 2, that is 8, again by 2, that is 4, again by 2, that is 2, 1. So let's do the third one, that is 40. So again divisible by 2, that is 20, divisible by 2, that is 10, so divisible by 2, that is 5. So we need to get it by 5, so 5 ones are 5. So what you need to do now, so go ahead and write the prime factors of respective numbers. Like for 24, the prime factors are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 1. Similarly, go ahead and write for 32 and 40 as well. So for 32, so go ahead, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See? Okay. For 40, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 and multiplied by 1. So once you have written all the prime factors, so go ahead and circle down the common factors in each of the numbers. So see, the first 2 is common in 3 of the numbers, right? See? So this is common, circle down. So this is again common, circle out. Is there any other number which is common? Again this one. Got it? So is there anything more? So 1 left and no other numbers are common. So what do you need to do? So to find out HCF, so this 2 multiplied by this 2 multiplied by this 2 multiplied by 1, so that is 8, right? So this is the easiest way of finding out the HCF by prime factorization method. So in the first example, we have seen 3 numbers. So what we have done, we have calculated the prime factors of the given numbers. Then what we did, we have written all the prime factors of the respective numbers, and we have circled all the common factors. Then we have written the common factors and multiplied them to find out the HCF. So let's see if we apply this concept in any questions that you need to face in your examination pertaining to HCF. So let's take one question. So you might face a question such as this. So see, find the largest number which divides 81, 103 and 150 to leave a remainder or rather remainders 1, 3 and 2 respectively. So you might face a question such as this in your examination, students. See, find the largest number which divides 81, 103 and 150 to leave remainders of 1, 3 and 2 respectively. So how to solve such kind of problems? See, go ahead and from 81 subtract 1. So from 103 subtract 3. So from 150 subtract 2. So what you have? So you get 80 here in the first case, in the second case you get 100, in the third case 148. So if you get such kind of a problem, you just subtract the respective remainders from the actual numbers. Now find out the HCF of these three numbers that you got. How? In this way, or you can use any other way that I have already shown. Let's use this method to see what is the HCF of these three numbers. So let us do the first one, 80. This is 2, this is 40, again by 2 this is 20, again by 2 this is 10, again by 2 this is 5, again by 5 this is 1. So for 100, so again do by 2, this is 50, this is 2, this is 25, go by 5, this is 5, again by 5 this is 1. So for 148, start with 2, 72 is the quotient, stick with 2, 36, 2, 18, again by 2, this is 9, go by 3, this is 3, end with 3. So we have calculated and find out all the prime factors of the respective numbers that we have got after subtracting the remainders. So let's write them down. So for 80, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 1. So for 100, this is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 1. So for 148, it's 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 1. So let's see exactly in a similar way. So what are the common factors? So this is the one, first one. This is the second one. Is there any third one? Let's see. 5, 5, no 5, 2, 2, no 2, 3, no 3. Obviously 1 being the factors of every number is common. So let's find out the HCF of 80, 100 and 148 is 2 into 2, that is 4. Hence, what will be the answer? Answer will be, if you divide if you divide 81, 103 and 140 by 4, it will leave a remainder of 1, 3 and 2. Got it? So you might get a question of, so again I'll tell you, so the question is find the largest number which divides 81, 103 and 150 to leave a remainders of 1, 3 and 2 respectively. So what you need to do, go ahead and subtract each of the remainders from the respective numbers, then find out the factors, then use the prime factorization to find out the HCF. So here the answer will be 4, which divides 81, 103 and 150 to leave the remainder of 1, 3 and 2. Got it? So in this lecture, I think you have understood how to find out HCF by prime factorization method. I've shown an example and a question. Okay? If you have any question, let me know. I'll try to answer those questions as fast as I can. Well students, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.